you have a key to your apartment, yes? It opens the door to your apartment, and your neighbor, she has a key to her apartment. Her own key, which opens the door to her apartment. Everyone in the building has a key that opens the door to their apartment. And everyone in the building was given their key that opens their apartment door by the manager of their building. And every door is the same. The units were all built at the same time. They have the same layout, the same kitchen backsplash, the same door, the same lock. And you all have a key that opens your apartment. Do you understand what I'm saying? So have you? Have you checked? How can you be sure? Have you tried putting your key in your neighbor's door? No, of course not. Of course not. Why would you? It's not your apartment. It's not your key. Isn't it? Isn't it? If it did open, you'd be intruding. You'd be the thing wrong. Your actions would be the problem. So what about your mail? What about your mail? Everyone in your building has another key that opens their mailbox with their name and their unit number, and it only opens with their key. So have you? Have you checked? You know your key opens your mailbox, and you know your other key opens your apartment door. And the keys don't work the other way around. Your mailbox key doesn't fit in your door. You've made the mistake of grabbing the wrong key when coming in late before, remember? But everyone's mailbox key doesn't open their apartment door. Everyone in the building has two keys that don't work the other way around. So how do you know? How do you know with certainty? Have you checked?